Now let's discuss about different methods for preparation of pollen grain slides. One of the most common method of preparation of pollen grain slide is glycerol jelly method. So the glycerol jelly method is one of the most common mounting technique used for pollen grains. It involves using glycerol jelly, which consists of 10 gram of gelatin, 35 ml of distilled water as well as 30 ml of glycerol. Now what are the requirements for this experiment? So let's discuss. So number one is freshly collected pollen samples are required. A compound microscope is also needed. Glycerin jelly, warm water, isopropyl alcohol solution, clean glass slide, microscope cover slip and distilled water. So these are the requirements for the experiment. Now what is the procedure? First of all, place a small amount of the sample, that is the pollen grain, into a small dish and add a few drops of IPA solution, that is isopropyl alcohol solution, for about 10 minutes. Isopropyl alcohol will remove the oily layer from the surface of the grain. If the pollen had not been removed from the anther, the solution also helps isolate them from the anther to only retain the pollen grains. So by using warm water, melt the glycerin and allow it to remain warm. Obtain 1 to 2 drops of IPA and pollen mixture using a dropper and place at the center of the clean glass slide. Place the slide on a hot plate for about 2 minutes to dry. Add 1 drop of the glycerin jelly onto a microscope cover slip and lower the cover slip gently at an angle onto one of the prepared slide to remove air bubble and bring the jelly into contact with the pollen. Now allow the slides to stand for about 5 minutes on a hot plate. This allows the glycerin to penetrate the pollen grains. After that, place the slide in a cool area until the jelly set. Then the slide is observed under microscope. Now another method of preparation of pollen grain slide is wet mount technique. So the requirements for this technique are glycerol, clean glass slide, cover slip and dropper. So the procedure of this technique include, first of all, add 2 drops of glycerol on a clean glass slide. Then add a small sample of the pollen. After that, gently place the cover slip on the sample at an angle to remove the air bubbles. Then place the glass slide on a microscope and observe.